Hello, welcome back again to my channel. So today is a very beautiful Sunday, and we are going to be learning something different. And as you can see, last week wasn't a good day for me. I was actually having migraines, and I was also having runny nose. You're going to be seeing the video anytime soon, and that was one of the reasons why I could not show my face because actually finding it difficult to speak. I'm sure you guys are going to notice when I was like sniffing my nose. So but before we begin, let me quickly take you to last week's episode where we learned how to prepare our carrot and corned beef sauce. I'm sure most of you that have seen the video, I'm sure you like it. And if you know you like it, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my weekly videos. Most times I try to upload most videos on Sundays. I'm going to be uploading more videos probably twice a week or thrice a week, but just continue to what? Hit the bell notification and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my interesting content. So before we begin today's episode, so let's quickly take a look at last week's episode. Welcome back again. So as you can see, last week was about carrot and corned beef sauce. You can actually eat your carrot and corned beef sauce with rice, yam, and so on. But today's recipe or today's special recipe. Actually, it's not about food, it's about drinks. I remember last week I told you I was actually having runny nose. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can treat your runny nose or when you're having flu, cold, headaches and so on. So this is what you do. It's very simple and very easy. It's something that you can do within 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm sure that when you do this in 24 hours time, you will be feeling much better. So let's begin. So let's see what I have for you this week. I'll see you later. Welcome back again to my channel. So today I woke up this morning, my nose was blocked. I was having cough, and I decided to come up with this remedy. So if you are having runny nose or nose blockage and your head aches as a result of your runny nose, I'm going to be teaching you how you can stop stop your runny nose. So I'm going to be using these two vegetables, and I hope you try it. It works. So this is called scent leaf. It's also another name for it is called African basil or clove basil, and its general name is called ocimum gratissimum or gratissimum. So this is the Saint Liver, Simon Simon, and this is the bitter leaf. I'm not going to be adding any other thing. I'm just going to be using these two vegetables. So sit back and relax and watch me how I do it. Hello, I hope you enjoyed this video. So whenever you are having headaches, runny nose, you're feeling feverish, what you need to do is try this recipe or try this remedy. It works. As you can see, I'm not sniffing my nose. I'm not like last week in the video. You could see I was actually struggling to talk and I couldn't even show my face. So after making that recipe, drank it. Remember, I said you take it first thing in the morning and last thing at night. That is, first thing before food and last thing after food. And I tell you, by the time you wake up in the morning, you will get yourself back. So that was what I did, and I got myself back the next day. So it's very easy, very fast. Less than 5 to 10 minutes, you're good to go. It has this kind of like, because you boiled the scent leaf and the bitter leaf together, it has this kind of sweet and bitter taste, but more of sweet kind of like taste. So if you like this video, please drop your comments and do not also forget to like, share, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss any of my weekly content. So see you next week where we are going to be learning how to prepare, you saw it, chicken stew. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. Welcome back again. So you can see how we prepared our carrot and corned beef sauce. So you can eat this, you can eat your carrot sauce and corned beef sauce with rice, yam, and so on. So today's um today's recipe is all about it's not I'm not compared to last week. My voice is clear. I'm excited. I'm okay. It took me just 24 hours to get to my to to it took me 24 hours to how do I say it? Get this running nose treated without going to the hospital, without taking drugs. I just had to use those two vegetables, boil them together, and